Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a very specific but incredibly useful item for anyone who owns a DJI Mavic 2 Pro and has had a bit of bad luck. This is the SOLKIN drone accessory, specifically the gimbal housing shell without the camera. Now, why would someone need just the housing? Well, accidents happen. Maybe you had a rough landing, or perhaps the drone bumped into something and the outer shell of your gimbal got cracked or damaged, but the camera itself and the internal electronics are still perfectly fine. Replacing the entire gimbal assembly can be quite expensive, and that's where a part like this comes in. This particular item is presented as a direct replacement part. The information provided states that it's in good condition and is offered as original accessories. This is crucial because when you're dealing with sensitive drone components like the gimbal, you want something that fits correctly and is made to the right specifications. It's designed specifically as a repair accessory, intended for use when you've had accidental damage. The idea is to make the maintenance process more straightforward and less costly than a full unit replacement. Think of it as getting a new outer casing for your existing, still functional gimbal components. You would need to carefully disassemble your damaged gimbal, transfer the camera, the ribbon cables, the motors, and a circuit board into this new housing, and then reassemble it. This requires a certain level of technical skill and patience, but for those comfortable with such repairs, it offers a significant cost saving. The description highlights that using this part for accidental damage replacement makes maintenance more worry-free, presumably because you're replacing a specific broken part rather than troubleshooting a complex electronic system. It's also mentioned that the part has a long service life, which is what you'd expect from a quality replacement component. It's very important to note, as the name clearly states, this is just the empty gimbal housing. There is no camera included, no gimbal board, no motors, no ribbon cables, none of the electronic or optical components. You're literally getting the plastic and metal shell that holds everything together. This is not a ready-to-fly gimbal. It is purely a repair part for the physical structure of the gimbal assembly. So, if your camera is broken or your gimbal board is fried, this part alone won't fix your problem. But if the damage is purely external to the gimbal housing and your camera and internal parts are intact, then this SOLKIN housing shell could be exactly what you need to get your Mavic 2 Pro back in the air without breaking the bank on a complete gimbal replacement. It serves a very specific purpose for DIY repairs on the Mavic 2 Pro gimbal structure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.